When do you expect to ride those rides in the amusement park because the line is too long? When was the last time you saw him because he was murdered last night? When was the last time you ate before you went to the Philippines? Which one do you prefer from these toys for your younger brother? Which way should he go to avoid the construction work? Which car do you want to buy as a commemoration for acquiring a driver's license? Thank you for inviting me in this Christmas party. I don't like to watch scary movies because I couldn't sleep at night. Improving speaking skills are very important in our life. I had a stomachache, that's why I vomited and had diarrhea. We could transport goods by train to Europe. Americans tried to reclaim Western America. I think that accomplishing by effort is better than getting what you want by luck. He pretended to play his guitar when he was listening to music. I came to this camp to do my best and to lose or get rid of my slump. I'll add you to the list. It is the one which talks about a boy who won a car and sold it. I'm doing my best like the handicapped basketball players. Mark didn't see him and Johnson didn't do it either. He speaks Chinese and she does as well. Neither Mark or John will lead the group. Neither Owen nor Johnson will leave the place. How can I develop speaking English with this book? How do I find a police station to search for my wallet? How many times do I have to do jumping rope to lose weight? I appreciate everyone's donation. How do you like your steak? She apologized for doing some scribblings on my dictionary. I don't have an appetite because I vomited a lot. We have to be conscious enough when we go through this bridge. I deposited my pocket money which I got on New Year's Day. Cancer is a serious disease and humans can't cure it. It's an opportunity to learn English properly. Some politicians get bribed from other people. I had to cancel my reservation in the camp because of my illness. I submitted my homework to the teacher yesterday afternoon. Firefighters rescued an unconscious person lying there. How often do you take a shower because you look so dirty? How long does it take to do my load of math homework? Let's try to restore our precious cultural assets. Let me think about going to an English camp in the Philippines. I am a kind person and he does either. She doesn't like Owen and neither does Angela. She is cute because she has dimples. Lions are domesticated animals and tigers are too. What time do you have? A woman dreamt that she had a journey with her son by motorhome. In her dream, they had a glorious journey across Mexico to Alaska. They were happy that she had her dream. It will be very hard for them because the motorhome's restroom is very small and they have to earn money to buy some food. They also need a lot of fuel and extra tires. You should also know how to use English intonation properly. The first thing we have to do is learn how to properly use intonations. Let me know if you change your mind. Let me know what will be given in the test. You never let me know about a person you like very much. Do you know if he is a scientist? I don't know if I will pass this exam. The enemies approached our country, that's why the soldiers used their cannon. Edison was curious about everything, that's why he became the best inventor. After the city started to manage the environmental buses, the pollution diminished rapidly. We need immediate action when we see a person who has a heart failure. The Japanese invasion caused many people to die and have financial crisis. His nickname is Secretary because he had to like secretary. We can't drive to the other side of the river because the bridge is closed. She deposited $6,000 in the bank for Cat. After she died, her friend fed Cat cold milk and cat food because the cat ate too much and the wrong kinds of food. It was introduced through many mediums. He would make many houses and rescue many people who were in danger. After cutting down so many trees, he could start planting and taking care of trees. John has lived in San Diego for the past 3 years. My brother was living in San Diego up until last year. My brother had never been to Europe until he went there last year. When I was first saw her, she was standing on the balcony. Lily, you moved to a new apartment. How long have you been living there?